Unlocking the mystery of budget adjustments. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of finance and demystify what we mean by budget adjustments. Whether you're managing your personal finances or running a business, understanding how to adjust your budget is crucial for maintaining financial health. So, let's get started and make sense of this important concept together. A budget is a plan for your income and expenses over a certain period. However, life is full of surprises, and sometimes, what we plan does not align with reality. This is where budget adjustments come into play. Essentially, budget adjustments are changes made to your original budget plan to reflect new information, unexpected expenses, or changes in income. It's like updating your roadmap to ensure you're still on the path to your financial goals. You might wonder why we can't stick to our original budget. The answer lies in the unpredictable nature of life. Prices go up, emergencies happen, and income can fluctuate. By making budget adjustments, you're not just reacting to these changes, you're proactively managing your finances to avoid debt and save for the future. It's all about flexibility and staying in control of your money, rather than letting unforeseen circumstances control you. Making budget adjustments involves a few key steps. 1. Review your budget regularly. This means looking at your budget often, ideally monthly, to catch any discrepancies early. 2. Identify changes. Note any significant changes in your income or expenses since you last reviewed your budget. 3. Adjust your allocations. If you're spending more in one area or earning less income, adjust other parts of your budget to compensate. 4. Prioritize your goals. Sometimes, adjusting your budget means reevaluating your financial goals. What's most important to you right now? Let's put this into practice with a simple example. Imagine you budgeted $100 for utilities, but your electricity bill came in at $120 due to a heat wave. To adjust, you might decide to spend less on dining out this month to cover the extra $20. This is a budget adjustment in action, ensuring that you stay on track financially without going into debt. Budget adjustments are a vital part of managing your finances effectively. They allow you to respond to life's unpredictability with confidence and keep your financial goals within reach. Remember, a budget isn't set in stone, it's a flexible tool designed to work for you. We hope this video has shed some light on how to make budget adjustments and why they're so important. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.